2 of building Mara's playset. Day 3 of building a playset. Shoot. I put these posts on the wrong side. They're supposed to be on the outside rather than the inside. That really sucks. If this ever happens to you, here's how you remove screws that you already did and spent about 30 minutes on, and move the post over here. I'm gonna just do an instructional video specifically just for you guys, not because I did it wrong, but here it is. I just made that way harder than it should have been. Now that I thought about it. I didn't need no ladder. Literally could have went right through here. Did this. And then set it. That's all I had to do. But it looked like I knew what I was doing. Throwing the ladder, climbing up, making it look really difficult. Mara, what are we building? Mara, what are we building? What's Daddy building in?
A playground.
A playground. Are you gonna help him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.